Before disassemble the diesel heater, make sure the heater is turned off and has completely cooled down. Disconnect the heater with the power supply. First, please disassemble the case. Remove the circuit board of the main unit and remove the motor assembly. Remove the glow plug. Please pull the cap of the glow plug upwards. Kindly note that excessive force can easily cause damage. Remove the glow plug with the glow plug wrench and a screwdriver. While removing it, please rotate counterclockwise. Remove these 4 screws. Leave the cam booster chamber. Normally, there are several reasons for carbon deposition. First, the fuel quality is not good. If the type of fuel used contains sulfur, it will be very easy to get carbon deposition. Second, the air filter is blocked. If the heater is running without sufficient oxygen frequently, then the speed of carbon deposition will be accelerated. So now let's start to clean the carbon deposition. First, you can scrape the dirt off using a screwdriver or a toothbrush. This is for the surface. Second, we need to clean the inner wall of it. Apply carburetor cleaner on the inner wall, and then let the cleaner stay for a while. And then clean it with a brush. Clean the dirt inside and outside. If there is too much carbon deposition, either the heater cannot be ignited or it won't be too warm. Pull out the combustion supporting net by a hook. This net is to atomize the diesel fuel. Then the fuel will be burned by glow plug. The small hole on the side is the combustion air inlet. Oxygen will get into the burner through this hole. So if it is blocked, then the heater cannot be burned. Spray the cleaner to this hole so it enters the interior, and then let it dry naturally. When the whole combustion chamber is dry, you can install it back. When installing the net back, please push the nut inside a little bit with a tool, making sure the position of it is behind the combustion air inlet, not to cover it. Ensure air flows smoothly through the hole. Check if the socket for combustion chamber needs to be replaced. If there is any damage, replace it. Screws of combustion chamber and motor assembly need to be installed diagonally when installing back. Next, install the glow plug. Tighten it with the glow plug wrench and the screwdriver. Connect the circuit board. Rotate the fan to see if there is any stuck or rub between the circuit board and the fan, and then tighten it. Install the main unit back to the case. Support both sides of the case outwards. Slap it hard with your hand. Make sure the positioning pin goes through the case. Now we are finished with the carbon deposition cleaning.